Hi there, my name's Ian Stiles. I'm going to talk to you today about something very, very simple. It's the meter stick on a roll. Meter sticks are a great way of measuring and setting out, especially if you've got a track saw. This, however, doesn't fit in the pocket. This one's way too big, although exceptionally accurate, and one of my favourite series of rules. This, however, is the simplest of rules that I've ever owned. It has the ability to roll out. I can roll it to the right, to the left, and I can measure either way around. So I can set it, it comes to a 0 point there, and I can take it to an exact point here where I want to measure. So if I'm measuring to a line, you'll see that coming up to a 0 line, coming up to the line there, I just find it a little difficult. I'm sure that I am visually dyslexic. But if I'm using this tape here, where I have a small amount of land here, the clear 0 line, it's just that little bit more precise. If I want to roll it from the large dimensions coming out first to my smallest dimensions that I can do, or I can roll it the other way around. It's a simple device, and it's a little bit of fun too.